Thirikari ya Kenya ni gaũrĩrĩte kithomo mbeca iria nyingĩ burukire budget ya mwaka twĩtĩte ara kumakĩrĩgana kithomo kĩamũkĩrĩte gĩcunjĩ kĩa 27 mũbunge wa Kiharu ũrĩa nowe akarĩrĩte kamĩtĩ ya ũgai wa mbeca Ndindi Nyoro augĩte BUKATHA rwangi rwa kwandĩka arimũ aja Kenya ni TSC gũtigĩra rwĩna mbeca cia kũng'ana kinya kwandĩka arimũ ba JSS na kũbare ya mbeca ciao nongerete na kuga thirikari ni irutanĩrĩte kũingia wĩra bwayo kĩrĩ wandĩkanyi kinya kĩrĩ ndwangi mwanya mwanya irio rwangi rwa ũgima. Antoni Kathenya na kũrĩkithia.
Kulingana na mwikarie twa kamiti ya ũbangani bwa KIGINA ya bunge nene Ndindi Nyoro, thirikari nĩtengete KIGINA kinene kiri kithomo kiri KIGINA kila gĩkũbanganwa kia mwaka ũyũ. Rwangi rwa kithomo rũkĩnenkagĩrwo gĩcunjĩ kia 27. Kulingana na Ndindi Nyoro, KIGINA gĩkĩ kĩrĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũteithĩrĩria nkĩama ya kũrũngamĩrĩra arimũ ya TSC kiri kwandĩka arimũ ba junior secondary schools 40,000 na ithandatu.
The budget size that we are making for the year 2024-2025 that will take effect from 1st July of this year is a budget of 4.006 trillion Kenya shillings, and out of that money, just to go to specific areas, education is taking up most of the bulk of the money. Close to 27% of the entire national government expenditure is going into education sector. And out of that money for education, we have allocated monies for confirmation of the JSS interns, and our intention as Parliament and the Budget and Appropriations Committee is TSC to consider confirming all the 46,000 at the permanent and pensionable terms. And we also commit that if the monies is not enough for that exercise, there is start off, and we commit that in the supplementary that will be coming, we can add in case there will be a deficit of the monies needed.
Nyoro akiongera kuga thirikari ni banganite gutigira interns bonde ile muna balaba mandagitari ni bakwandikwa.
We have also allocated money for the health sector interns and who have also been interning in various facilities because we have been in consultation with the National Treasury and the Ministry of Health, and our intention is also for them to consider confirming those interns who are our brothers and sisters.
Rwangi rwa mainya na rũkĩnenkagĩrwo KIGINA kingi kinene unenkanĩrĩrwo stima maturani bũkĩnenkagĩrwo KIGINA kia milioni 14.5 nao gĩcigo bunge gĩkĩnenkagĩrwo milioni 50.
The other thing is that we have allocated 14.5 billion Kenya shillings for electrification, and especially in our various villages and estates. And we have divided this money equally among all the 290 constituencies in Kenya. We want every constituency to get 50 million, priority to be given by the constituents, so that we continue with the electrification process, especially in the rural areas. And those in towns and the electrification is higher, they can always do street lighting with that money because they all go hand in hand together.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Antoni, Rangi wa Kathenya.